Hi there! In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to switch screens by clicking a button. First, add a button into your app. To make it easier to see the button, let's change the button's background color to be yellow. Let's also change the button's shape. To do this, scroll down on the button's properties, where it says Corner Radius. Let's change the corner radius to, say, 100. We can also add a border to the button. Let's make the width of the border be 4. And we can even pick from a few different border designs. I'm going to select Solid. Next, add another screen. In the Layout section, drag and drop a screen component into the app. Now if you see over here, Screen 2 is now visible on the component tree. But we want it to be below Screen 1. So it's pretty simple. We're just going to drag Screen 1 and drop it above Screen 2. Great! And let's just change the color of Screen 2. Let's change it to blue. And we're going to do this just so it's easier to see that we've actually changed screens on the app. Great! Let's go to the Block section. In the Block section, go to Button 1's drawer and select the When Button 1 Click Do block. Go ahead and drop it into the blocks editor. Next, go into the control blocks. Select the Navigate to Screen 1 block and drop it into the Button 1 block. Nice work. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Screen 2. So now when the button is clicked, it will navigate to Screen 2.